Back IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD, guys. Yesterday we did not do an analysis. The day before that, guys, we were buying this after hitting our push targets, guys. The price broke below that support. But actually, what happened was turn this area into support, and after turning this area into support, it broke it. Price alone went on to hit the bearish targets. So, guys, today we are looking at some kind of correction, but guys, unfortunately, we are bearish as long as the price is below 1.333667. Okay, guys, so this will be our first target for today. As mentioned, guys, profit taking area, not an entry area, guys. And guys, the next target would be quite far away. Yeah, well, it can be too. And guys, the next target would be 1.35389. Or we could move it further down, and target would be 1.35133. Okay, guys. And guys, if the price breaks above this, we will be seeing 1.372298. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.